Welcome back to my channel Car Reviewpedia, where we explore the most exciting, futuristic, and luxurious vehicles from around the world. Today we are diving deep into a 2026 Luxury Super C Motorhome that completely redefines what life on the road can feel like. This is not just a vehicle, it is a rolling mansion designed for people who want power, comfort, and premium living all in one bold package. The first thing that stands out about this 2026 Super C Motorhome is its commanding presence. Built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, it looks strong, confident, and ready for long journeys across continents. The front design feels aggressive yet refined, with a wide grille, modern LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that help reduce wind resistance. This motorhome is designed to turn heads whether it is parked at a luxury campsite or cruising down the highway. Under the hood, the Super C Motorhome offers a powerful diesel engine that delivers impressive torque and smooth performance. This level of power is essential for a vehicle of this size, especially when climbing hills or towing additional vehicles like SUVs or boats. Despite its massive size, the driving experience feels stable and controlled, thanks to advanced suspension systems, electronic stability control, and modern driver assistance features. Long drives feel less tiring, and the confidence behind the wheel is unmatched. As you step inside, the real luxury experience begins. The interior of this 2026 Super C Motorhome feels more like a high-end apartment than a traditional RV. Premium materials are used throughout, including soft leather seating, high-quality wood finishes, and elegant ambient lighting. The open-plan layout creates a sense of space and freedom, making it perfect for long-term travel or full-time living. The living area is designed with comfort in mind. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the cabin while offering stunning views of the outside world. Plush sofas and reclining seats provide a relaxing environment for family and guests. Many models include a convertible seating area that transforms into an additional sleeping space, making it ideal for group travel. The smart use of space ensures that nothing feels cramped, even when multiple people are inside. The kitchen in this luxury Super C Motorhome is fully equipped to meet the needs of serious travelers. You get a modern induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, a microwave oven, and plenty of storage cabinets. The countertops are made from durable and stylish materials, offering both elegance and practicality. Cooking on the road feels just as convenient as cooking at home, whether you are preparing a quick meal or a full dinner. Moving toward the sleeping area, the bedroom offers hotel-like comfort. A large king-size bed with premium bedding ensures restful sleep after long journeys. Overhead storage cabinets and wardrobe space allow you to carry clothing and personal items without clutter. Some versions also include a second sleeping area above the cab, making this motorhome suitable for families or guests. The bathroom is another highlight of this 2026 Luxury Super C Motorhome. It features a spacious shower with glass doors, a modern sink, and a high-quality toilet system. The design feels clean, stylish, and practical, with excellent ventilation and smart storage solutions. Having a bathroom of this level on the road adds a sense of independence and freedom that traditional travel simply cannot match. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the overall experience. A large touchscreen control panel allows you to manage lighting, climate control, entertainment systems, and power usage with ease. High-speed internet connectivity and satellite TV options ensure you stay connected and entertained wherever you go. The sound system delivers rich audio quality, turning movie nights or music sessions into a truly immersive experience. Climate control is another area where this Super C Motorhome excels. Advanced heating and cooling systems maintain a comfortable interior temperature in all weather conditions. Whether you are traveling through cold mountain regions or hot desert landscapes, the interior remains pleasant and relaxing. Storage is intelligently designed throughout the motorhome. From large exterior compartments to hidden interior storage spaces, there is room for everything from travel gear to luxury accessories. This makes long journeys more convenient and organized, allowing you to carry everything you need without compromise. Safety has not been overlooked either. The 2026 Super C Motorhome includes advanced safety features such as blind spot monitoring, rear-view cameras, lane assistance, and adaptive cruise control. These features make driving a large vehicle much safer and easier, especially on long trips or busy highways. Overall, this 2026 Luxury Super C Motorhome represents the future of premium road travel. It combines raw power, elegant design, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort into one extraordinary package. Whether you are an adventure seeker, a luxury traveler, or someone dreaming of full-time RV living, this motorhome offers an experience that goes far beyond expectations.